Jose Rosalino Joel de Leon Torre, born June 19, 1961, is a Filipino actor. He began performing on stage at age 7 and rose to fame in the 1980s for his roles in period and historical drama, including Oral, Plata, Mata 1982, Carnal 1983, and Jose Rizal 1998. His accolades include a Puchin International Fantastic Film Festival Award, 3 Gawad Urian, and a FAMAS Award. Jose Rosalino de Leon Torre was born on June 19, 1961, and hailed from Bacolod. He is the son of Alfonso Obregon Torre and Luz de Leon Diaz. Torre began performing in theater at the age of 7, performing with the Mascara Theater Group in Bacolod, which was overseen by director Pec Galaga. Torre studied at the University of Saint La Salle in Bacolod. At age 7, Torre was a member of the Bacolod-based Mascara Theater Group ran by director Pec Galaga, where his passion for acting started. He was the youngest member in the group, which composed of 13 people. He then played a small role in Lino Bracca's Gumising Ka, Maruja, which was shot in Bacolod in 1978. A few years later, Galaga tasked Torre to play a role for his 1980 film Oral, Plata, Mata. In 1990, Torre starred in the action drama Kunin Mo Angi Yulo and I Ismail, based on the radio drama by Ray Langit serialized in DZRH. The film reportedly earned over Philippine peso 12 million in Metro Manila. Personal life. Torre's middle name, Rosalino, comes from the fact that he was born exactly 100 years after the Filipino national hero Jose Rizal. Torre married Christy Escona in 1990. They have 2 daughters, Maria Ayla Ariela and Maria Morella Rafaela. In 2003, Torres and his wife founded JT's Manukan Grille in Quezon City. It offers Bacolod-style chicken in nasal, a native dish of his. Currently, it has 35 branches in the country. In 2024, Philippines AirAsia partnered with Torres JT's Manukan Grille to offer Bacolod chicken in nasal in-flight. It also opened its first overseas restaurant in Lucky Plaza. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.